Here we have the Chattanooga Express. Bachmann big hauler. We'll start by running it slowly. Take a trip around. Still got the instructions for the oil for the smoke in the front. It's running without oil, so it won't be smoking. Run a little faster this time. Full throttle. Start slowing her down a little bit. Take another pass nice and slow so we can take a look at it in action. And we'll bring it to a stop. And we'll see how she runs in reverse now. Kind of hard to run the controls with the trying to keep my camera on the train. Alrighty. I'm running a little faster in reverse now. And full throttle in reverse. Bring it to a stop. If you're going in reverse again, take a look at the lights. The lights do work. Whoops, wrong way. Come on. Yeah, it's kind of hard to run the controls. Not looking at it because I'm watching the camera screen. Sound does go on and off. You can turn it off with the little red button there in the back of the locomotive. And we'll turn the lights on. We'll switch on. Let's look at the doors. The doors do open on the combine. A little switch underneath here. Gotta find it. Oh. There it is. There we go. Lights do work. That's the combine. Turn the lights on the passenger car. come on. A little runner with lights now too. Maybe turn off some of the lights so you can get a little better view here of what's going on. It's still pretty bright in here, so you might not be able to see the lights real well. Looks like my battery might have died on the combine. It was still on, but it's really dim. Yeah, I'll switch batteries to verify that the dim light on the combine is due to a low battery. I just scrounged up some batteries around the house and kind of weak. Anyway, that's it. Again, I'll verify that the light is dim on the combine because of the low battery. And if it's not as bright as the passenger shown here, I'll make a note of it. Let's take one more trip around. Nice and slow so you can get a good look at it. Whoops. Oh, and last but not least, I don't know if I noted the nice chugging sound when it comes to a halt. Bye-bye.